Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how you can remove the background in CapCut using your mobile device. First thing you want to do is make sure you download the CapCut app. And once you've downloaded it, you will be seeing an interface similar to what I have here. And then you can select your new project and add whatever visual you want to add into CapCut's timeline, as I'm doing right here. Now, once you've done that, you will notice that the image or video you've added is in the timeline. What you want to do is select that video and then search all the way down here till you find Remove BG, which happens to be Remove Background. Now I'm going to select that. Now you will see you have a few options here. And the options you have are auto removal, which is for pro accounts, and custom removal. Now, if you were to select auto removal, as you can see, it just removes the background right there for me, which is really cool. But again, this is a pro feature. And when I'm going to export it, it's going to let me know that this is a premium feature, and I'll have to join CapCut to be able to export that image. Now, you can simply take a screenshot here if you want to be able to retain that effect and edit it. Now, since we can't use this pro feature here, I am going to go back by selecting undo remove background, and we will then go to the custom removal feature here. Under the custom removal feature, I have the opportunity to draw around the image in a selected area for where I want to keep the image. So in this instance, I am going to select brush here and then paint over myself, my image here as much as I can. And I might have to select different types of brush sizes to have a perfect cut here, because you see it can be very sloppy. But there we have it. And once I select the check mark here, as you can see, it retains my image. Not as perfect, but it removes the background. And then I could tweak it further. Now, again, if you have a pro account, you don't need to do all that. It has that auto removal feature for you to be able to do that. Now, if you have a pro account, you can use the quick brush. And in this instance, what the quick brush does is you could just select over the area that you want. And as you can see, it just automatically recognizes the image so that when you select that check mark again, it can remove it. But as you can see, it's saying your video can only be exported if you are a CapCut Pro member. Do you want to continue? And in this instance, we're not a CapCut member, so we'll go to reset. But that's how you can remove your backgrounds in CapCut if you have a pro account or a free account. I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier